Guys, all good. I'm back. I just got off the taxi now from the Ugandan reptile village, and I just had to quickly pay my taxi driver 50,000 shillings to take me around town and to the Ugandan reptile village and everything. I've just paid him 50,000 shillings. So now I'm back here where I'm staying. I'm staying at this place called Banana Village. Welcome to Banana Village. You can see there's a lovely statue over here of a local native, and there's a lady over there, and there's a lion over there. So this is a banana village that I'm staying. It's very cheap accommodation. It's 830 rand for 3 nights accommodation, including breakfast. It's very cheap, and it's close to the airport. It's about 10 kilometers from Intembe Airport. So let me take you inside Banana Village, where I'm staying. This is the parking lot. And through there is reception. And yeah, this is Banana Village. You can see there's a couple of huts here. This is number 1. And you walk down here. This is hut number 2. And there's some monkeys there in the trees. You can see some monkeys there. And there's a lady. And this is number 3. So I'm staying at number 3 in Banana Village. So I'm staying in apartment number 3 in Banana Village. So I'm staying here number 3, and next to is number 4. So let's continue. This is Banana Village that I'm in. It's very nice, comfortable, clean, safe, cheap accommodation. There's number 5 and number 6. And we're taking a walk around Banana Village quickly, where I'm staying at the moment. I'm staying in room number 3 by myself. Some more rooms here, little rondavels. So this is Banana Village in Uganda. So if you want a cheap place to stay, it's inexpensive, nice, clean, safe, inexpensive, very close to Intembe Airport, come and stay at Banana Village. Highly recommended. So this is the gardens for Banana Village. Oh, I forgot to mention, Banana Village also has a swimming pool for the residents. So there's some more rooms here. This is the restaurant dining area for Banana Village. So this is where we have breakfast and dinners and that in the morning. So there's a restaurant here. So if you want to eat at Banana Village, they do have a restaurant here as well, which is for the hotel guests. So this is where we eat breakfast in the mornings. I'm probably going to have something to eat here at Banana Village. You can see there's monkeys everywhere you look here. There's some chickens running around. Lovely statue here. There's some monkeys grooming each other here. I just don't want to get too close. There's some monkeys. The monkeys roam everywhere here, run around everywhere here at Banana Village. There's some more monkeys here. So Banana Village is full of monkeys. That's why it's called, I'm sure it's why it's called Banana Village. Look at the cute little baby monkey there. He's so cute. There's a little baby monkey there. Oh, the little baby monkey is so cute. I don't want to get too close to them in case they attack me or something. I wouldn't want to be attacked by them because I'm sure the monkeys can be quite vicious. So you can see their teeny little baby monkey there. It's so cute. So these monkeys are, I think they're called blue-balled monkeys. They roam freely here around Banana Village where I'm staying in Uganda. You can see the monkeys are everywhere. Okay guys, there's a little vegetable garden here at Banana Village, and some lovely pretty roses here. These roses smell absolutely, these roses smell beautiful. Some chickens here. You can see Banana Village is a happy place where chickens run around, monkeys run around. Here's one of the warriors. He looks like a hunter or a native warrior. So guys, this is Banana Village, where I'm going to be spending a few days here in Banana Village before I head back to South Africa. So what you see here is Banana Village, and I'm in room number 3. So over there is my room number 3. I'm staying by myself in this beautiful place. Clean, safe, peaceful, and I'm staying all alone here. Got my own little apartment, my own little room with a bath and my room, and this is Banana Village where I'm staying. So I'm going to go inside guys, and I'll catch you later. I'll show you a quick video of my room in Banana Village. Okay guys, let's go. I'll give you a sneak peek of my room where I'm staying for a couple of nights before I head back to South Africa. I've got my key shaped like a banana, and let's go. So here we are. I'm staying number 3, Banana Village. Okay guys, so this is my room. Put some lights on for you. This is my room where I'm staying. A lovely thatched rondavel. You can see this is my suitcase. This is my lovely poster bed with mosquito nets. As you can see, I don't make my bed. So this is my room for a couple of days, and this is my bathroom. So yeah, it's quite basic, but it's lovely, clean, safe, cheap, beautiful, peaceful environment, and yeah, this is my accommodation at Banana Village, room number 3. This is where I'm going to be sleeping for the last couple of nights in Uganda before I head back to South Africa. Okay, guys, I'm going to freshen up and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. Thank you for watching.